Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to learn the song Night Changes. First, immerse yourself in the music by listening repeatedly to grasp its emotional core and rhythm. Next, ensure you have the correct chords and lyrics readily available. This foundational step is crucial for building a solid understanding before diving into practice. We'll cover everything you need to play this beautiful song. Now, let's tackle the chords and strumming. The primary chords are G, D, E minor, and C. Practice transitioning smoothly between these shapes until it feels natural. The strumming pattern is generally a consistent down, down, up, up, down, up. Start slowly, focusing on clean sounds, then gradually increase your speed. Consistency is key here for a polished sound. Moving on to the vocals and timing, it's essential to internalize the melody. Listen carefully to how the original artist phrases each line. Practice singing along, initially at a slower pace, to synchronize your voice with the instrumental. If a section is challenging, isolate it and work on it separately. This focused approach will help you master the vocal nuances. Finally, consistent practice is your best friend. Dedicate a short amount of time each day rather than long, infrequent sessions. Recording yourself can provide valuable insights into your progress and highlight areas needing more attention. Once you feel comfortable, try performing for a small audience. This builds confidence and refines your performance skills, making the song truly yours.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.